How to fix Facebook verification code not received problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook verification code not received problem, whether it's by SMS or email. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here's step 1, that is to check your internet and signal. So first, make sure that your phone has stable internet connection and a strong network signal. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to mobile data or vice versa. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to confirm the correct number or email. So next, make sure that you have entered the correct phone number or email address linked to your Facebook account. So here, if your number starts with a country code, you can double check that it's correct. For example, +1 or +44 or +977 depending on your region. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to wait a few minutes or request again. So here, sometimes Facebook systems get busy, so wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then tap on resend code. And here you can avoid tapping it too many times because that can delay new messages too. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check spam and the junk folder. So here, if you're waiting for an email verification code, then you can simply open the Gmail, and here inside the Gmail, you can simply check for the spam folders because sometimes Facebook code email might end up there accidentally. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to turn off do not disturb or SMS blocker. So if you're not receiving SMS code, check if do not disturb or SMS filtering or third party message blockers are enabled. And if they are turned on, simply turn them off temporarily so Facebook message can come through. And here, with that, moving forward to the step 6. So here, if you tried everything but you still can't get your code, then you can simply go or open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside it, you can simply search for facebook.com/help and simply search for it. And here, once you are in this page, then you can simply report verification code not received directly to the Facebook. And that's it. Now you know how you can fix Facebook verification code not received problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.